Today's topic is matter. Look around yourself. You will see a number of things like water, plants, pens, pencils, books, etc. They all are made up of different types of materials and are called matter. Books are made up of paper, dress is made up of cloth, and hammer is made up of iron. So, the above shown objects they are made up of different types of materials and are therefore called matter in science. You might be thinking that I am classifying everything around me and you as matter. What is matter actually? Matter is anything which has a mass, occupies space, and can be perceived by our senses. Even air, which we cannot see, is a kind of matter because we can feel it. If you blow air in a balloon, it gets inflated because air occupies space. If you switch on the fan, you feel air due to the movement of the fan. Thus, wood, sugar, water, coal, iron, alcohol, milk, hydrogen, etc. are all different kinds of matter because they have mass and occupy space. Matter offers resistance. How? Look at this animation. If you try to walk during an air storm or lift a big stone, you experience the resistance offered by matter. What is matter made up of? Maharishi Kannada, an Indian philosopher, was perhaps the first to suggest that matter is made up of very tiny particles called anu or molecule, which further is formed of small particles called parmanu or atom. Later on, John Dalton also suggested that all kinds of matter are made up of extremely small particles called atoms. Both these particles, atoms and molecules, are too small to be seen through a naked eye or through an ordinary microscope. Let's look at their definitions. Definition of an atom. An atom is the smallest particle of matter that exhibits all the properties of that matter. Definition of a molecule. A group of atoms bonded together makes up a molecule. What did we learn today? We learned definition of matter, air as matter. We also learned that matter offers resistance. How? If you try to walk during an air storm, you will experience it. What is matter made up of? Atoms and molecules. Definition of atom and definition of molecule.